You who will cry when you will die. What is the actual concept of this book? The actual concept is, see, when you were born, you cried and the whole world was celebrating, your family was celebrating, your relatives were celebrating, right? But you have to live your life in such a way that when you die, you must be happy and the whole world must mourn, whole world must cry. Means you have to do such kind of achievements in your life, you have to do such kind of work for people. When you die, people should feel that it is not his family's loss only, it is the loss of society, it is the loss of nation. So this is Momin Saim, and today I am going to speak about my favorite personality. So it is so difficult to speak about my favorite personality because I watched a lot of motivational speakers on YouTube. You know it very well, right? I watch just Jay Shetty video, then after Shiv Khera, Robin Sharma, then Sandeep Maheshwari, Vivek Bindra. There are so many personalities. I listen a lot of motivational speakers, and it was so difficult for me to choose one personality. But somehow I just managed and I chose one personality, and I'm going to speak about him, who is very great writer, and he's such an amazing personality I have ever seen in my life. I have seen a lot of amazing people in my life. I haven't met them, but I have seen a lot of people on YouTube, and he's one of them, I can say that. And he is one and only Robin Sharma. So Robin Sharma is my favorite personality. I like his books, I like his work, I like his motivational talk, and I have listened some of his podcast videos which I really liked very much, with one of the greatest personalities, Jay Shetty. And this video really touched my heart, and it inspired me a lot. So Robin Sharma is a Canadian writer, and his mother is a teacher and his father is a physician. He is best known for his famous book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This is one of his best books. I would recommend you must also read this book. And this book is really very heart touching. When you will read this book, you will get a lot of knowledge, and you won't believe that over 3 million copies had been sold by 2013 only. Can you believe? And this book translated into 51 languages. 51 languages. And I like some of his books which I have with me, and I read some of the points with the help of this book, and I'm just trying to apply all these things in my life, because you know that if you read a book, you don't have to read only. Whatever message, whatever knowledge you are getting with the help of this book, you need to implement into your practical lives. So I would like to show some of his books to you. The first one is 5 AM Club. This is the book which he wrote just before 2 years in 2018, and this is the book which will help you to wake up at 5 AM. And really this is amazing book. And there are so many people, they have problem to wake up early in the morning. You just set your alarm, but you don't wake up, right? You don't wake up. And why? Because you don't want to leave your bed. So what are the things which will help you to wake up early morning? So in this book he has mentioned in 5 AM Club. And you can see there are so many good things. Actually I had read one of the points on Instagram from this book, and I really liked that point very much, and I just saved it and I try to implement it in my practical life. So this is the book which will help you to wake up early in the morning. There is one more writer who has written the book which can help you to wake up early in the morning, The Miracle Morning, by Hal Elrod. He is also one of the best, we can say that we are one of the best writers in English, and this book is also very amazing. I have this book, I have read, so I would also recommend you to read this book, because he took 2 years to complete this book. Can you believe? He took 2 years. Why he took 2 years? It doesn't mean that it was so difficult task for him. He wanted each and every line to impact his reader's mind, and this thing makes this book awesome, right? And millions of copies have been sold, and I should suggest you that just go on Amazon and just buy this book and read it. This will help you to wake up early in the morning. Now I have one more book which is also very inspiring. The name of book is Who Will Cry When You Die. Really the topic will attract you. Who will cry when you will die? what is the actual concept of this book? The actual concept is, see, when you were born, you cried and the whole world was celebrating, your family was celebrating, your relatives were celebrating, right? But you have to live your life in such a way that when you die, you must be happy and the whole world must mourn, whole world must cry. Means you have to do such kind of achievements in your life, you have to do such kind of work for people. When you die, people should feel that it is not his family's loss only, it is the loss of society, it is the loss of nation, right? So this is also very good book. I would recommend you this, buy this book and read it. This will also give you some heart touching messages and which will help you to reform your life, to transform your life. So these are some of the books which I talked about. And if we talk about Robin Sharma, so he's not only a writer, he's a motivational speaker as well, because I read a lot of quotations and lot of his talks on Instagram. I strongly follow him and I just like his messages. And yesterday he just replied on my message. It was really unexpected and it was really amazing for me, because someone who is too busy in his work, who has billions of followers and who is replying you, it is really awesome feeling, right? And now what is most important, see, talking about personality and knowing about personality, it is different thing, but what messages you are getting with the help of your favorite personality, this is important. Now I have got 3 messages from Robin Sharma. The first one is, face your fear with confidence. You know, when he wrote his first book, he got failed miserably. His first book did not get good response. The monk who sold his Ferrari, it was his second book. And you know, by profession he is a lawyer. He quit his law at the age of 25, and then after he came in writing and he got massive success in it. So face your fear with confidence. If you fail in your life, no matter, keep trying, keep putting your efforts. It doesn't mean that just in your first attempt you are going to get success. You need to work hard. This is the first message which I got with the help of this personality. Second message which I really liked, and this is really very important for each and everyone, work for other. Now what happens when you try to do something, you do it for yourself, right? So there should be something which you can do for other, which you can do to serve other. Most of the time we just always think about ourselves, right? I have to do this, I have to do that, it is good for me, it is not good for me. But you should also think about other, means what benefits you can give to society. This is also very important. Means every time you do not have to think about yourself only, come on, think about others also, right? And this is how you have to serve people, and he believes in it. And I really like his idea of serving others and helping others with the help of his books, with the help of his talk, with the help of his different kind of work, right? So this is the second message which I got from him. And third one, never give up. He got failed in his first attempt, but he did not give up. He should have thought that why should I become a writer? I'm already a lawyer. Why should I go to write something, right? I'm doing well in it. But he thought out of the box. And then what happened? He got massive success. So you must have never give up attitude in your life, which help you to get success in your life. Thank you very much.